Keep your water clean and clear with the replacement biosponge for use in the Cascade 700 Model CCF2UL and Cascade 1000 Model CCF3UL canister filters. The biosponge filter removes ammonia and nitrites from your aquarium tank, keeping your aquarium clean, healthy, and odor-free. Filter sponge optimizes the colonization of beneficial aerobic bacteria, which prevents the water from becoming cloudy and harming fish. Perfectly cut to fit into the Cascade 700 1000's filter tray without any gaps which could allow pollutants to re-enter the water. Genuine Penn-Plax replacement cartridge for Cascade 700 1000 standard and elite models. When used together, the filter and biosponge provide maximum protection against water pollutants. Top reviews from the United States. Good product, be aware it is sold individually. Just an FYI, each package only contains one sponge. Filter floss comes in a 6-pack. This perfectly fits the trays inside the Cascade 1200 and 1500 canister filters. The sponge is quite coarse and will catch the biggest debris particles. However, you'll want a tray or two loaded with filter floss to polish the water. As for maintenance of the biosponge, there's really no reason to replace this product any sooner than once a year. To clean it, pour the old canister water into a bucket, then take and wring out this biosponge in there. Wash it off using the old aquarium water, and once it's fairly clean, put the sponge right back into the filter. Don't use city tap water to wash this because the chlorine will kill the beneficial denitrifying bacteria. I say 5 stars out of 5 because it perfectly fits the filter tray, the price isn't outrageous, and it will last a really long time.